What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market and see what the market is doing and where the market is heading going into next week. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day and also get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and especially 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description and it's definitely worth every penny. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is down 0.32%, Nasdaq down 0.68%, and S&P down 0.37%. And here in this group, so you got utilities on top, real estate, consumer defensive, healthcare, industrials, energy, basic materials. On bottom, communication services, technology, consumer cyclical, financial. And then if you look at this week-to-date performance right here, again, technology on top, consumer cyclical, basic materials, industrials, and on bottom, energy, utilities, and also financial. And here in the stock market map, we got Tesla up 1.81%, Amazon down 1.27%, Google down 1.25%, Meta also down on the day 0.29%, AMD down over 3%, Microsoft down 1.5%, and also Apple down 0.59%. So on SPY, a lot of people are still thinking about a crash in the market. They're counting 9 count, 13 count every day, but SPY is counting the numbers up and going up to a new 52-week high, 443.90. Now at some point, even next week, going into Tuesday, Monday, market is closed. Now Tuesday, guys, at some point, market will come down. It's going to correct itself, but it's not going to be a crash. There is no crash coming in the market right now. I see a lot of people still think that, they were thinking last year that this year, market will crash. SPY going to 250. Well, it's out of the window now. It's not even in the picture anymore. Now, still, a lot of people are saying that, a recession is coming, which could be possible, but SPY is not going to 250 and not even, forget about 250. It's not even getting down to 350 anytime soon. We will get a correction in the market, and that is, how the market works. Market don't crash every day and every year, guys. We just had a crash, a big, correction in the market, a bear market last year. And before that, back in COVID crash, we saw a massive move to the downside. So now, back to back, we got some good correction in the market. And now we will get a pullback. And that's going to be a dip buying opportunity unless SPY goes under 390. Then watch out, we're going back into bear market again. So going into next week on Tuesday, look at this, guys. 438 right here, blue line 5 SMA, it's not even touching that level. So going into next week on Tuesday, on a pullback, watch out for this blue line as a support, 438, and then possibly coming down and retesting this breakout 430, and that would be a big support, and definitely that's going to be a higher low, and then possibly can go up to 450 after coming down here and retesting this support 430. Now, if SPY continues to the upside and breaks again 440, we could see 444 right here. And that is where this upper Bollinger Band expanded right now. And then possibly up to even 450 next week on SPY. To the downside, only time I'll be concerned, SPY breaks below right here. 425.77, white line 20 SMA, and that means one thing, SPY rolling over and possibly coming and closing at least some of these gaps down here, 407 and the one down here at 422.92. Until then, guys, pullbacks will happen in the market at some point, and that is going to be a dip buying opportunity. That's not going to be a crash where you should go and short everything in the market until market tells you that market wants to roll over and market breaks some critical levels. Then watch out, market might be rolling over. Until then, stay bullish, just be cautious, don't chase anything in the market. On triple Q, this is where a big correction is needed. Now Friday we saw that pullback on increasing volume right here, and that means one thing: yes, we could see a pullback. So far it's holding 367 as a support, but we do have support down here also. Blue line 5 SMA 365, so watch out for 367, 365, and then down here at 360. Even if this thing comes down to 350 and then goes back up to the upside, it would be a higher low, and still triple Q will be bullish. As of right now, I mean, we're getting pullback. I mean, look at this, guys. This is nothing. Look at that move. I mean, forget about this move from here. I mean, just look at right here, from here. 315-ish right here. Massive, massive move. 370 to 85 on Friday. Another new 52-week high. So only gave up $2.33, so which is nothing. And I think a decent pullback on triple Q would be at least down here to 322, this level that was big resistant before on triple Q. So if that happens, that would be a decent pullback, and market will correct itself, and that's going to create a lot more opportunities for a lot of people that are waiting on the sideline to buy the dip. Now to the upside, triple Q can definitely move higher above 370. Watch out for 372 to even 373, and the next stop here on triple Q above that, watch out for 377.50. To the downside, 367, 365, 360 also have support. 13 SMA down here below 360, 357.59. On IWM, it's down 0.80%, but look at this, guys. That's supported 185. It's still holding, and this could be a bull flag consolidation here on IWM. And going into next week, early as Tuesday, above 184 to 185. That is bullish on IWM. All this thing needs to do, break 188, and then next stop here on IWM, 191.44 to even 195. To the downside, below 185, watch out for the support down here, 183.63, and then 183 also have support at 181, a rising white line, 20 SMA on this daily chart, and I think IWM will break out above 188, and if that happens, we're going to see a massive, massive run to the upside, just like we saw on triple Q, and now we are seeing on SPY ETF. On Dow Jones ETF DIA, it's down 0.30%, but look at this, guys, holding above 342.39, blue line 5 SMA on a pullback. So that's going to be a key level to watch. Below that, we also have support at 340, and then watch out for 336 down here, and then the gap below 332. To the upside, DIA can break 346, then watch out for a move all the way up to 350, and that would be the next stop on DIA if this thing can actually hold. Right here, blue line 5 SMA, 342.39 at this point, but also this blue line will move up going into Tuesday. On VIX, I don't even know what to say. This thing is down again, 6.62%, getting absolutely decimated. And if you look at my screen, this thing can definitely go down even more, possibly down to $12. And that is the next stop on VIX. Until this thing actually breaks above, I would say at least $16, and that holds as a support, then we're going to see more upside on VIX up to 18, and a breakout will only happen on VIX above 20, which is a long way from 1354 right now. So stay bullish in the market until this thing breaks above 20, and if there is a pullback in the market and this thing actually gets up to $16 to $18, there is going to be a dip buying opportunity in the market, and market will rally back up to the upside. Unless this thing breaks 20, in that case, be careful in the market. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.